Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautifully laid out and spacious two-story property for sale. It is located in a middle to upper income residential neighborhood known as Ridgeview Crescent in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. It sits on 0.48 acres of land. It is enclosed with concrete block walls and double swing iron gates, decorative iron rails, and chain link fencing. The ground floor consists of an entry foyer, living room, TV area, one bedroom, one bathroom, large back porch, double garage with automatic doors, helper's quarters, laundry room, generator room, and powder room. The upper floor consists of a large back balcony, front porch, sitting area, two bedrooms, one bathroom, and a primary bedroom ensuite with a jacuzzi and walk-in closet. Flooring consists of oak wood and ceramic tiles. Additional features include security camera system, solar water heater, an electric water pump, and an underground water tank. The land features ornamental plants, fruit trees, and is improved with concrete paved driveway area. This property is just about 5 minutes drive from the Santa Cruz Town Centre. Call today to schedule a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 48 million, US 304.2 thousand, Canadian 435.4 thousand, Euro 279.4 thousand, or 236.4 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.